Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Mitzel for those of you who do not know, and welcome. So today's video is something I think I've never tried, or maybe I've tried but haven't realized I've tried it. I'm going to do a makeup look but with no foundation. I can use concealer. Yes, I'll be using concealer, but I will not be wearing foundation. Let's see how this turns out because my face apparently is red right now. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot, and let's get started. Alright, so first I'm gonna start by using my SUPERGOOP. This is a SUPERGOOP Glowscreen. It's just an SPF. I haven't applied my SPF, but on days where when I don't use foundation or skin tint or something, I like to use this because it gives a beautiful glow to the skin, but at the same time it's gonna protect against the sun, and it kind of has like a tint to it. So let's apply this. Especially right now for summer, I don't like to wear a lot of foundations, so this SPF gives a beautiful glow to the skin. It still looks like skin. And I'm just gonna go in a bit with some concealer because, I mean, we still got some under eyes, dark circles. Okay, that's how it's looking. Alright, so next I'm gonna go with a new product to my collection. It's the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick by Merit. Seeing this brand a lot on Instagram and YouTube, also on the Sephora website. I spent a lot of time there, so I was really intrigued. I love the packaging, super minimalistic, and I bought it from the actual site, not from Sephora, because I saw on their Instagram that if you spend $50 or more, they gave you like a baseball hat, which is up there, and it was really cute. So the things that get me. I'm gonna use this, and I got the shade Ochre, which I think it's gonna be too dark for me right now, but I'm actually going on vacation, so if I get a tan. But I'm just gonna apply this as if it were a concealer. Really concentrated under my eyes, around my nose, anywhere where I have a little bit of redness. Just a little. Any pimples? I don't know why today I don't have pimples. Yesterday there were a lot. I'm gonna blend it out with my finger first. I haven't tried this product, so it's also like a first impression for me. It's blending out very nicely. Looks very skin-like. Wow. What if I went in with a brush? I think this is faster. Okay, it doesn't look that bad. Maybe if I go to natural light, you might be able to tell that's a bit dark. It's not that dark. Oh wow. Oh, I like this. My older sister would like something like this. I'm gonna tell her to actually apply a bit more because I don't know if it's buildable or anything. I haven't heard a lot of people talk about this product. It's pretty good to me. Gonna blend it with a beauty blender just a bit. I am going to set it a bit. I'm gonna use a KOSAS Cloud Set powder in the shade Breezy. Just apply a bit to my under eyes or anywhere I think I'm gonna get oily or sweaty, especially me. I sweat more than I produce oil on my face. Lately, I don't want to lose that shine. Oh wow! I mean, this combo is something. Wow. Okay, my memory card was full, so good thing I knew that and I didn't talk a lot. But yeah, I'm actually really enjoying this product with the KOSAS powder. It looks very, very nice. Because we don't have like a base on my face, like a foundation or something. I'm mainly gonna use just cream products. So for my bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Terracotta Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duo. This is the shade Sculpted. I'm gonna take the cream side first and apply it with this Makeup by Mario X Sephora brush and lightly bronze my skin. And then with the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brush, this is the JH11. Yes. I'm gonna take the powder and very lightly go over the cream, just very lightly. I love this bronzer duo because both the cream and powder are very light and sheer, so you can build them up as much as you want or have them as light as you want. Why I love them so much. Alright, for highlighter, I'm gonna use my favorite product ever. This is a Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filt'r in the shade 2.5 Fair. And this is gonna be my highlighter. I love this when I want like a super natural highlight, like kind of a glow from within. And I just apply a bit and blend it with my beauty blender. Look very natural, doesn't look like fake or anything. And anything that's left on my beauty blender, apply it a bit to my nose. Very, very natural. All right, we have another product from Merit. This is a Flush Balm Cheek Color. It's a cream blush. You guys know I had to try the blush, and this is in the shade Terracotta. It's this beautiful terracotta shade. And I'm gonna apply a bit like this. I think so. I'm gonna apply first like this. Sure. Blend it with my beauty blender. Oh my god, I love this color so much. I love my warm toned blushes, and this is no exception. I'm gonna do this, apply a bit in the back of my hand, and you can see it's not really pigmented. You can see a little bit of my skin, it's sheer, but it's a beautiful color. And take a brush and apply it like this. Oh, I like both ways. They look very pretty. It's a more glowy blush. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, you guys know I love blush. Like, it's an obsession. Like, did you see my last video? My declutter? I don't think I got rid of a blush. Okay, so I'm gonna do eyebrows off camera and be right back. Alright, eyebrows are done. The products I used were the ANASTASIA Brow Wiz. Then I set them with the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Fix Clear Brow Gel. And then because I felt a bit extra, I went in with the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint pen in the shade Espresso and just created some hair-like strokes on my eyebrows. Right now I'm just gonna prime my eyes using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Amplifying Eye Primer. Trying to do this look as quick as I can because it's getting too hot in my room. And if I turn on the fan, you'll be able to hear it with the mic. Alright, so today's palettes I'm gonna use the Makeup by Mario. They're the master, what are you called? I think they're like the, I don't know, they're the big palettes. I have the Master Mattes and Master Metallics. I'm first gonna start with the Master Mattes, and I'm gonna take Matte 4 and apply to my crease and a bit on my lid. I'm gonna keep those warm tones, kind of like the blush, to the eyes, kind of a monochromatic moment. I love to do like these quick and easy looks, and I'm happy to see that a lot of you also like this types of looks, so thank you. Like I said, I'm going on vacation. I think I leave on Saturday. Today's Monday. I leave on Saturday and I need to pack because we are going to like a beach place, and if you know me, you know I hate the beach. I'm not a big summer girl, but maybe this year is different. But yeah, I'm going with my whole family, which is very exciting. We're going on a road trip, and yeah, but I still haven't packed anything. I'm actually gonna do a video what I'm gonna pack for my makeup, and I'm feeling a bit stressed because I tend to overpack stuff, so I really need to think about the things I want to use or want to take. But I'm nervous, not gonna lie. Then I'm gonna take like a pencil brush and take the exact same shade and apply it to my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with a bit of matte 8 and kind of define more my outer corners. Just a bit, not too much. Just want to give a bit of definition there. I'm also gonna apply that same shade to a bit of my under lash line. Now I'm gonna go into the Master Metallics, and I think I'm gonna take Metallic 7, which is a kind of bronzy orange shade, and I'm gonna play with my finger. Just go over. Just gonna go over the other matte shades just to really blend this look out. Oh my god! I just got a notification that my Patrick Top palette that I ordered has been shipped, which is very exciting. I got so excited to try that palette, and I hope, no, I don't hope, it's gonna arrive before I leave. Looks so beautiful. I've been trying to get it from Sephora, but I didn't want to order it online because I'm not very lucky when it comes to Sephora orders when I order online. So I went to the Patrick Top actual page and ordered it from there, and thought to myself I might get it earlier because if they're based like on Northern California, it's gonna arrive faster, and I was right. Looking at a bit of a inner corner highlight. For my inner corner, I'm gonna take Metallic 8. Just add a bit to my inner corner, not too much. Oh, I like this shade. It's like a light gold shade, and it looks really pretty. Now I'm gonna do lashes off camera and be right back for lips. All right, mascara is done. For my mascara, I used the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. I love this mascara. Look at my lashes. Okay, now for lips, we're gonna still keep it in the warm orange tones. So I'm gonna line my lips using the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Caramel. And I'm gonna outline my lips and also fill them in with this lip liner. Because I want to keep it super natural, I'm actually gonna use this e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm in just peachy. Apply a bit of this to my lips. Okay, because I'm not wearing foundation or anything like that, I want to set my face, so I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Just apply a bit of this. This is going to fully set my makeup. I didn't want to moisturize it because it's looking pretty shiny. And we are done. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'm obsessed how it came out. I know it's a look that I do very frequently, but I'm just obsessed. I try new products that I might take to my trip. You're gonna see that in the next video if I did or did not. But I'm obsessed how this makeup looks. I love how my skin looks. I'm very lucky to have skin that's not as problematic as other skins. Only bad thing, it's more on the dry side. I'm lucky that I have skin that doesn't need a lot of coverage. I don't know, I feel awkward talking about this. What can I say? I gotta be thankful. There are some things that I don't like about myself, but my skin is not one of them. Okay, now I feel awkward. Whatever. I really enjoy the new products I try from Merit. It looks very natural on the skin, so if you like that kind of stuff, this is a great look. And yeah, hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also comment down below what other types of videos you would like to see. Also subscribe to my channel, that helps me out a lot. so much, and you can keep seeing me on your YouTube. And also, if you want to get notified whenever I upload a new video, don't forget to click the bell. You can follow me on my other social medias, which I always leave right here. Hope you're having an amazing day. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.